Mr. Batchelor?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Batchelor, did you have adequate time to speak to your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Beck, are there any other issues?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. Beck, I'm showing you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Batchelor, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Batchelor, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance less than 1 gram? That's really a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days in the state jail facility and up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on a state jail felony repeater. So that makes this a 3rd-degree felony. So the range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him? Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Batchelor, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, you are to agree that you've been previously convicted of 1 or more felonies for enhancement. Punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration County Court Cause number 690917. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State all proceeds to exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Batchelor, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this agreement, the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits, well, I'm sorry, just 1 second. With regards to the enhancement paragraph, I need to know if you plead true or not true to it, okay, Mr. Batchelor? It says, and it is further presented in and to said court that before the commission of the offense alleged above, hereinafter styled the primary offense on the 2nd day of June AD 2017 and cause number 2017 CR 3053 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant was convicted of the state jail felony of theft under $2,500 enhanced. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And it also states, and on the 15th day of March AD 2021 and cause number 2021 CR 2342W in Bear County, Texas, the defendant was convicted of the state jail felony of theft under $2,500 enhanced. How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
The court then will review states exhibits 1 and attachments for sufficiency. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find the enhancements allegations true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. And the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we're asking for credit for time served. On this case, he has 48 days in. Even though he was rearrested on 8/13 on the misdemeanor case, and he's been in ever since on the misdemeanor case.
Okay, so it's that August 13th, 2022.
Yes, and so that would be 59 days on the misdemeanor and 48 days on the felony, but we're asking for you to add those up and give him credit for time served.
All right, Mr. Batchelor, you will be receiving credit for all the time that you've been in jail. I realize that he's been in bond on this case, but he was technically in jail. So if you make sure he receives credit for that. So you'll receive credit for that. All right. As previously stated, the court is finding you guilty, finding the enhancement true. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration County Court cause number 690917. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thanks for dating. Mr. Batchelor, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Batchelor, do you need a copy of this?
I would like.
All right. Could you give him a copy of this, Norman, his plea paperwork? All right, so Mr. Batchelor, this is where you are. How old are you?
54.
All right, then you're in the same position I'm in. There is more of your life behind you than in front of you. I always tell people I'm in the twilight of my life, or you want to say I'm in the fall of my life. The springtime of my life has passed me by. So you need to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life. If you continue on the path that you're on, what's going to end up happening is you're going to find yourself at somebody's jail, maybe Bear County, maybe at the prison, in and out. You're going to be the guy at the prison that young people are going to come in and they're going to ask you how this thing works. You're going to be Grandpa Batchelor. Don't be the Grandpa Batchelor at the prison. If you have a drug or alcohol problem, there are free places for you. Even when you get out of prison, there are job places for you. You understand? So you're going to have to do better. All right. Good luck to you. Before they take you away, they're going to make sure you get, she's making a print for him. They're going to make sure you get your paperwork.
This case involves
Okay?
Dion Batchelor, who appeared in court charged with
All right, you're
possession
welcome.
of a
Thank you.
controlled substance under 1 gram. During the hearing, Judge Boyd carefully confirmed that the defendant understood the charges, his rights, and the consequences of entering a plea agreement. The defendant admitted to prior felony convictions. Judge Boyd sentenced the defendant to 2 years in prison, granting credit for all time already served. Before closing the case, the judge offered a serious warning, urging the defendant to consider his age, future, and the consequences of